friends, welcome back to Mimi's Mixed Bag. Thank you for stopping by, and if this is your first visit, I want to welcome you. It has been a couple months since I have made a video, and I tell you, it was a well-needed break, and I want to thank so many of you that encouraged me to take the break. But today is very special because it's actually the 8th year anniversary of Mimi's Mixed Bag. I have been making little projects and sharing thrift hauls for over 8 years now. It's just hard for me to believe it's been that long. It's been so fun creating these videos and sharing things that I find. The reason why I needed the break was not the crafting part. It's just the other side of YouTube that we have no control over. And that is what just really kind of burnt me out as far as analytics and subscribers and views. Just the dishonest way that some people are building their channels. I wasn't really sure if I even wanted to come back, but I want to tell you that Mimi's Mixed Bag is not going away, but I am going to be making some changes, and I'm here to explain to you what's going on. So during these last couple of months, I have decided to just take my craft night business on the road and create a mobile craft night business. I have been making sample projects. I've kind of pulled and redid some things that I've done from previous craft nights. Got business cards ordered. Really sweet guy that I went to high school with. He has a graphic design business and made this wonderful banner that you see behind me that I can do some craft shows and church bazaars and things like that to generate my business. And so what I was going to do today is just show you a few of the things that I'm going to be doing on my craft night. And then you're welcome to go to Facebook and look up Let's Go Crafty Parties. Now, like I said before, Mimi's Mixed Bag is not going away. But what I am going to be uploading to this channel is pretty much going to be related to craft nights. It's going to be some of the craft night projects, but I really hadn't thought it out. It just depends on how busy this mobile craft business becomes. Because not everybody's going to want to have an actual party at their house. Some of the projects I'm going to offer is kits. And if you're willing to pay for shipping, I can ship you a kit too. So I thought I would just hold up just a few of the samples that I'm going to be offering on my craft nights. So the first one is one that I did a few years ago at one of my craft nights, and it's a fence board, and I made it into a scarecrow. And I want to also encourage you to check out Facebook. If you are on Facebook, go to Let's Go Crafty Parties. You can check out the photo albums that I have. I've kind of broken it up into seasons. My local friends can see the kind of projects that I'm going to be offering. Now here's a Christmas one. I'm really not going to get heavily into Christmas until, you know, October, November. But this is going to be one that some people want to go ahead and start on their Christmas stuff. And this is one that I probably will be able to offer as a kit that I can mail out to people. But just super cute and very lightweight. The shipping wouldn't be too terribly bad. This is a new project I created a few weeks ago. And this is a gnome door hanger. I'm probably going to offer something like this every season, like a Christmas Santa and some kind of Valentine gnome. But this is a fall themed one and super lightweight with a styrofoam nose. This is one that I'm probably going to be able to offer as a kit and can mail it out to people where shipping wouldn't be too terribly bad. But just thought this was so cute, and it just depends on the fabric you put on the hat. But just the cute little Raffy at the top and the little happy fall sign on the hat. Now here's another easy craft night thing. I did this witch's hat a few years ago, and this is something easy that my husband can help me cut out the wood and offer a witch's hat. Now these are type of things that I probably wouldn't be able to mail. Shipping is what just kills me being able to mail out kits. Now some of these little wooden door hangers I probably could offer as kits. Just the wood round and the stencil, the ribbon and things like that. But it's just super cute to put on your door. Welcome to our pumpkin patch. I apologize, I'm out on my porch and the air conditioner is going to pop on. And this is one I featured on my channel last fall, and this is just some tags. You know, we'll do some kind of seasonal tags, Christmas, Thanksgiving, whatever. We can make it, make it whatever theme you want. Now, they're not all going to be door hanger type things. You know, some people just don't have enough door hanger stuff. I'm gonna have some shelf sitter type things. This is a big wood block with decoupaged, decorated to look like a pumpkin with a wine cork, and just really cute to sit around for the fall time. And then also even some decoupaged earrings, wood shapes, and I would bring, all the supplies. Someone could create like a set of 3 earrings, something like that. But let me just kind of sit to the side here and show you my little banner here. I had my friend created this logo here, and it says Make and Take, Let's Go Crafty Parties, and that is the business I'll be offering to my local friends that live in the Memphis area. And my name, and I've got some guidelines for the parties. And then I just put on here on my banner, decide a project, invite friends, bring supplies, and or purchase project kits. So I'm going to be offering that locally. And at the bottom of my banner, I put on there that these parties are all about just having fun and creating crafty decor. It's not about fine art. I've said many times on my channel that I am not an artist. I would love to be able to paint like my mother did. The more you do, the better you get, no question. But that's my problem, is I have my hands in all kinds of crafts, and I've just never got super good at any one particular thing. But I do love to paint, and most of my door hangers and things are very simple. If I can do it, that anybody can do it. And one more little special thing that happened in the last 2 months is we recently learned I've got grandchild number 4 coming. We had a gender reveal this past Sunday, and it's going to be a boy. So I'm going to have 3 boys and 1 girl. I just wanted to come on and give you a little life update to let you know that I am coming back, and I will be posting periodically projects that I do in my craft business for each season and things like that. And who knows, it really all depends on how successful this mobile craft party business becomes, as to how much I'm able to also load up to YouTube. So thank you so much. Be sure and check out Let's Go Crafty Parties on Facebook and see what all kinds of projects I have, and if there's one that you would like to see me do on the channel that I haven't done. I'll be back soon, and hope you're having a great summer. Bye-bye.